Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Nothing Phone 1, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 widgets for this device. Alright, so first of all, tap and hold at any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens, tap on the widgets, and here we'll have all the widgets that are currently available to us divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is calendar. So let's go ahead and expand the calendar category. Here we'll have the two designs to choose from, the compact one and full scale one. I'll go with like smaller scale design and smaller appearance. As you can see, once added, it will contain all important things like reminders, events, celebrations or holidays that are added to a calendar. Therefore, you will be able to keep the track of anything important or anything of value that is at your calendar. Therefore, will not forget about anything important, basically. Alrighty, so moving on to the second widget that is located at the Nothing Launcher category. As you can see here, we'll have like some clock widgets, either digital or analog ones, and the weather widget as well, or the combined widget that will have the current brief information about the current weather state, the day of the week, and the date. So me personally, I'll probably go with this analog clock and place them right here. Here we have the clock style of solid and transparent to choose from. I'll go with transparent design because I like it better, just like so. Alrighty, and the third widget is located at the settings category, and it's the settings shortcut. Once added to the home screen, it allows you to choose what particular section or category of settings you would like to have the quick access for. I'll go with, let's say, battery. And here, basically, once added and configured, by tapping on it, you will be forwarded straight to the battery section or battery category of settings, and can, for example, turn on or turn off the battery percentage, visibility at the status bar, open up the battery manager, turn on or turn off the battery saver, and check the battery usage. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.